Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw orange. Oranges are yummy round fruits that grow on trees. They are bright orange in color and have a sweet and tangy taste. You can eat them in many ways. You can peel them and eat the juicy section inside. Or you can drink orange juice. Oranges are very good for you because they are full of vitamin C, which helps keep you healthy and strong. Oranges grows in a warm place and they need a lot of sunshine to become ripe and sweet. Oranges are not only tasty but also make great snacks, especially in winter. You can also make them into the smoothies or just have a fresh glass of juice. So next time you see an orange, you will know that it is not just a delicious but super healthy too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.